Machine Learning Cheat Sheet, a brief beginner's guide. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a study that deals with the understanding of the working and development of computer systems. It is the
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Study of machines that can make them understand, learn, and adapt to conditions without any instructions given to them. In the concept of machine learning algorithms are designed such that the machine itself will begin to implement logic to perform the task. The science of machine learning is a subfield of the science of artificial intelligence. Machine learning deals with tasks that are related to human behavior. To solve problems or perform tasks, machines are equipped with artificial intelligence. This allows computer machines to perform operations and solve tasks similar to how humans perform. Acquiring the best machine learning certification will help you master certain ML tools and concepts. This aids in the development of more AI-integrated programs capable of making decisions and performing tasks on their own. Importance of machine learning cheat sheet. What are cheat sheets? A cheat sheet is basically a detailed outline of the subject with a proper hierarchy of concepts. This helps in understanding the concept better. Cheat sheets help students reduce anxiety, and this also helps in improving the complexity of their understanding. Since cheat sheets make your understanding clear, they come in very handy while preparing for an interview. A machine learning cheat sheet does help engineers and ML experts get ready to manage tasks related to designing algorithms. Cheat sheets come in handy to deliver a clear understanding of the concepts. Machine learning cheat sheets will be very helpful for AI and ML architects. It also helps in recalling all the notes made on a certain subject. By making yourself comfortable with the concept, you can be more aware of the subject and the concepts, which results in a positive impact on your work. Where to find machine learning cheat sheet? To make it helpful to everyone, there are some online resources that actually provide you with ready-made cheat sheets for different concepts in machine learning. Online sources like Microsoft provide cheat sheets that help candidates make their lives easier by learning and understanding the topic. This machine learning algorithm cheat sheet was provided by Microsoft for Azure Machine Learning Designer. Other such alternative resources that provide a study of machine learning cheat sheet can be found on Google search results.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.